In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer statement in KashFlow. To get started, open KashFlow and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head to the main navigation area and select Customers. This is where you'll find your customer records and account activity, so it's the starting point for generating any customer statement. Next, find the customer you want to create a statement for. If you have a long customer list, it may help to quickly scan or search for the correct account before opening it. Once you've found the right customer, click on their name to open their account page. It's important to make sure you're in the correct customer profile, especially if you manage multiple similar accounts. From the customer's account page, select Statement. In KashFlow, the usual path is Customers, then Customer, then Statement. This area allows you to generate a summary of that customer's activity and balances, which is useful for reviewing account history or sharing an up-to-date statement with the customer. Now choose the statement parameters you want to use. This usually includes selecting the right date range and any other filters available. Take a moment here to think about the purpose of the statement. For example, if you only need a recent summary, choose a shorter date range. If you need a full account overview, select a broader period. You can also choose whether to display relevant invoices, payments, credits, and the outstanding balance. These options help tailor the statement so it shows exactly the information you need. After that, click View Statement. The statement will open on screen for review. Before downloading, printing, or sending it, check the details carefully. Make sure the customer information is correct and that the listed transactions match what you expect to see. This quick review can help avoid sending incomplete or incorrect information. Once everything looks right, you can download or print the statement. KashFlow gives you the option to download it as a CSV file, which can be useful if you want to work with the data in a spreadsheet. If you need a more formal version, use Print Statement to create a PDF. That's often the better option when you want a clean document for records or sharing. If needed, you can also send it directly from KashFlow by selecting Email Statement. This is a convenient option when you want to deliver the statement to the customer without leaving the system, and that's how to create a customer statement in KashFlow from start to finish.